guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see from the title, I will be recreating the viral Ayra Starr makeup look. I've seen so many beauty creators recreate this look and I really want to try it. It's a very pretty simple beat which I think is very within my skill sets, and I have never really tried like lifted eyebrows, so I'm really curious to see how I would look with it. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. I'm going to be starting by priming my face using the Milk Makeup Primer. Next, I will be going in with my foundation from Haus. I'm just going to blend that in. You can also use a brush for this step. Sometimes I find out that using a blender first kind of helps the product to absorb into your skin better. And then I am blending this in with my foundation brush. You can also use flat angled brushes to blend your foundation. Next up, I will be going in with my concealer. This is from Too Faced and it's in the shade Butterscotch. Although the makeup looks like it's quite lightweight, you can tell like they definitely apply quite some product. Not so fun fact is that sometimes when you're trying to do no makeup look, you actually have to apply more product to make it look as seamless as possible without looking caked. So I blend in tapping motions and I blend upward first, so I can bring the excess of that back into the center of my face and then just continue blending back this way. I'm also going to go in with my beauty blender and blend it just a bit better. And also, because it has that excess residue of the foundation I used earlier, the colors will match my skin better. I'm going to be using the Juvias Place contour stick and I'm just tapping it slightly on the sides of my nose. I just go ahead and continue blending that in, and I also bring it to the bridge of my brows and to the tip of my nose. I am going to repeat the process as I've done on my nose slightly on my cheekbone here. The goal here is to look very snatched and like lifted. You can use the bridge of your ears to kind of pitch where you want your contour to be. Typically, it's like this way, so you don't want it to be too flat. Go ahead and blend that in to blend it upwards. Now that that is done, I'm just going to go back in with my concealer because I want the look to have a very bright under eye effect. Same as before, except this time we use lesser product. Now that it's fully blended out, we can go in with the next step, which is blush. I'll be using the Made by Mitchell blush in the shade is the SP. Tapping in circular motions, this way the blush becomes dispersed and it doesn't allow it to look like it's concentrated in just one area. So far, this is what we are looking like. I need to go ahead and do my first layer of setting spray. I'll be going in with my setting powder from Huda Beauty. Once I pack my powder on, I'm going to give it a few dabs. This way, I don't have any cake up and it blends seamlessly. I will also tap into my smile lines and just to prevent general greasiness on these areas. I'm just going to dust all of that using a powder brush. Repeating the same step using the Fenty Beauty powder in the shade Honey. Doing the steps like setting and spraying twice just enables the makeup to sit in really well, and it also makes it last longer. If you want it to look like makeup, you have to put that shit on literally with a brow glue first. I don't have much brows, but if you have fuller brows, you definitely need to glue them down to be able to pull eyebrows like this off. My brows, I will be using the Made by Mitchell Color Case palette in the shade The Deep. I've gone ahead to clean up the under of the brows, but I still feel like it's still a little too big, so I'm just going to thin them out and then I'll blend them. Now that the brows are done, I'm going to do the eyes. The look looks pretty simple, so I'm just going to use a nude eyeshadow. We're using the Morphe palette 350, and I'm using the color Time Travel. This one right here. Add more depth to the eye using a darker color. This one. It does look like she has some form of shimmer on her eyes. Next, I'm going to apply some eyeliner. Go ahead and add my mascara now. To move to the lips. I'm going to use a black liner instead because I don't think I have any lip liners that's as pigmented. And I'm going to go over this with clear gloss. Add some highlighter. This is the final look. I think I tried my best. I don't know if I got the eyebrows like perfectly, but this is how they look like. So I lifted. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section. I really like the lips. I think it's so cute. Yeah, this was pretty easy to follow actually. Let me know how you think I did, you know. Would you be trying this look? I think it's so cute. It's simple and very low effort also, if I should mention. So yes, thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye. You know, getting time for the